Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Duncan Hines Epic Cookie Dough Cookie Bar Kit. We have got everything that we need assembled here. You're of course going to need your Epic kit. You're going to need a couple mixing bowls, some olive oil spray, nonstick spray, butter, whatever you would like to grease your pan with. Then we're going to need an 8x8 inch pan. You're going to need a spatula or a knife to spread your frosting with. You're going to need a spoon for mixing everything up with, 2 eggs, and you're going to need a bunch of melted butter. So we have here 8 tablespoons of melted butter and separately 6 tablespoons of melted butter. First thing that you need to do before we get started is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're going to go ahead and grease our pan and then set that aside. Now let's go ahead and get our box opened up and pull all of our pieces out. So we've got here our chocolate cookie mix, our sugar cookie mix, and then our cookie dough frosting. We're gonna go ahead and tackle our sugar cookie mix first. So go ahead and take 1 bowl, and then we're gonna take our white container of sugar cookie mix and pour that into the bowl. Now we're gonna add to that our 1 egg and 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're just gonna go ahead and stir all of those together until they're well blended. That's well mixed, so we're gonna go ahead and set that aside now. I've rinsed off my spoon and we're now ready to go in with our chocolate cookie mix. We're gonna put that into our second bowl. And we're gonna add to that our other egg and 8 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're gonna go ahead and mix that up until well blended. Now that we've got both of our mixes, we're gonna bring our pan back in and we're gonna first put our sugar cookie mixture into the bottom of the pan and then press it down firmly. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Now that that's in there, we're gonna go ahead and top it with our chocolate cookie mixture. I'm gonna put a little bit at a time so that way I can try to get an even layer. Now that that is done, we are ready to pop this into our oven in the center oven rack for, they recommend 28 to 32 minutes or until a toothpick inserted 1 inch from the edge of the pan comes out clean. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in and then I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. So it has now been 32 minutes and I think that we're done, but we're gonna go ahead and check this with our toothpick inserted about 1 inch from the edge of the pan in a few different spots and see if it's pretty much clean. That is definitely clean. Let's go ahead and check another spot. All right, now that this is done, we need to cool it completely before frosting it. So you can place this on a wire cooling rack, or if you don't have one of those, place it on top of your stove. If you have like a grate on top of your stove, anywhere where you can get some air circulation on all sides of your pan. All right, now it has been about an hour and a half and our cookie seems to be completely cooled. So we're gonna go ahead and frost it. Now we need to first knead and squeeze this frosting pouch before we put it on there. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. Now that we've gotten that loosened up, we're gonna cut it on the edge and pour out all of it kind of evenly over our cookie and then spread it with the spatula. And there we have it, that is all done. Here is our completed Duncan Hines Epic Cookie Dough Cookie Bar Kit. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.